Hi guys, welcome to Foxy. This is Naima. I'm going to show you how to get an easy makeup look using just an eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to use this palette from BollyGlow that I have and that I really like. It's actually an eyeshadow palette, but I'm going to do my eyes, blush, highlighter with that and then finish this look off with a lipstick. So let's get started. So I'm starting with using the BollyBrow Shape Set. It's actually this two-sided product, but I'm going to only use the setting mascara because I don't like to really fill in my eyebrows. Moving on to the next product, which is the main product. It's actually a BollyGlow On-Set eyeshadow palette that I actually want to use to do the rest of my face. I have a little base on, not complete coverage, just very minimal, and I'm going to use the same eyeshadow palette, and this is actually a beauty hack. It's like something that could save you when you're probably traveling and you just have like an eyeshadow palette with you, or say a palette for just one thing that you can actually mix and use. So I'm using an eyeshadow palette for eyeshadow, blush and highlighter. There are no rules in makeup. As far as you know what to do when, I think you're good. So I'm using this brown, light brown shadow onto my eyelids because I want to keep this super simple. Just onto my eyelids. This actually gives me that very natural, no lid, no makeup look. Some of it on my lash line. You see how simple that was. I'm going to use another pink shade in my palette as blush. And I'm going to take their little shimmery shade for highlighter. And to finish this look, I'm using the BOLLYGLOW Rebellips shade Ambition. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was my super easy beauty hack on how to use your products and put them to full use, and everything that you can use like eyeshadow, lipstick. You can always use like lipstick on the lids and things like that. You can always mix up and do what you're doing. There are no rules in makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can follow me on Instagram as Makeup and Hair by Maliha, and you can follow Foxy's Instagram page, which is Foxy Makeup Tips and Tutorials. I'll see you soon. Maliha love.